So, we found an escape artist. And no, I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about this guy. Sir, you're not in your designated area. You have escaped. You shall be named Mort. You know, from Madagascar. King Julian, why am I tied to a stick? Because you're not in your enclosed area. Oh yay, I'm a sacrifice. But it's okay. I will save you. All I will do is just make it bigger. Saving food is like trying to save animals. You want to save them all. That'll do, pig. That'll do.